Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm the Mainly Digger, and this video is about new gear that I bought or I received off of Amazon. For diving or scuba, just snorkeling around, which I cannot wait. It's gonna be a good detecting season, a good summer underwater, snorkeling and swimming around with the fishes. Anyway, yeah, it's winter right now. It's nice and frosty. It's a snow day. So I figured I'd do a gear review or an unboxing of new gear that I received. Cannot wait. I have a new setup. You can see interviews or me talking into the camera. I have lighting, which is underwater. It's also for underwater, so I'm excited about that. And I can't wait. I can't wait. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be an awesome detecting season. I can't wait. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start reviewing and unboxing my gear. Mainly Digger out. Some of my gear that I'm going to go over, obviously, is the GoPro 8. I've used a couple times. This is my lighting. I'll talk about that later. But this is what I want to talk about. The Mavo is a company, a camera company that makes camera equipment for smartphones, GoPro, pretty much any type of camera that's there, they make an attachment for, equipment for. This is made from Mavo. Mavo makes this right here. And it's for diving, really. It can be used for anything, and I'm going to use it for anything. Attachments or screws where you can screw in stuff down here. The way I'm going to use this when I'm not using it for diving is I'm going to have both a place to mount my phone or my GoPro and the lighting. And I'm going to mount it on my tripod using one of these. So it's a good little setup. Has multiple different purposes for a setup. There's multiple different setups that can be done on this equipment. You can have your phone up here, or you could have your camera set up here on the side. I couldn't find another mount, so I set the light up here. I'm going to use it a lot underwater, hopefully this summer. I cannot wait. So, since I'm going to be diving or snorkeling, I bought a dive knife. This knife it was under $25 easy, and this is what it comes with. This type of sheath, which, I'm not really a fan of, because it looks comfortable, but it looks like it's going to fall off also. So, the knife is fairly small, which is good, because you don't need a large knife for a dive knife. You don't need to have it that heavy, or you don't need a heavy knife to go diving with. It's just like an Ono. It has I like it because it doesn't have a heavy wood handle, which is good. And it's just a cheap knife that if I lose, I might be a little sad depending on how I like this knife. And it came oiled, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to go out diving. It also came with this strap and this holster, which has it has a button, a release button. So that is pretty cool. I'll probably use these straps versus this, depending on how comfortable it is. But that is pretty cool. Oh, I'm so excited. So these are my new fins. I've never used fins, so it's obviously something new to me. But it's actually OM gear. So they look really cool, and they're fairly inexpensive, and they came with this bag, so I cannot wait. This mesh bag And they also came with these, and an extra pair of these, which I'm not going to show you, or I'm too lazy to get up and go. But look at the bottoms. So that's kind of cool, especially in Maine, like Maine, or especially where I go. The bottom, the bottom of the lakes are kind of dirty. So here are some socks, I guess. They're not like Aqua socks. I love my Aqua socks, and I'll still use them. But these are Sea Avenger from the brand Sea Avenger. So that is kind of cool. First time I've used or I've owned them, I guess. Owned a pair. So this should be fun. This should be nice. See how they work. Cannot wait to get out into the water and use all this gear.